welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we're going to be continuing with the Declutter series. So I'm showing you guys here all of the Christmas decor that I took down from upstairs. And I decided that I was going to go ahead and just pull everything out of my storage room that I have down here in the basement and go through all of the boxes to see what I have and if there's anything I want to get rid of and kind of consolidate things, because a lot of these boxes I had not opened for 5 years that we've lived here, but also some of them I hadn't even opened in a few years prior to that because they were from our first home and we had rented when we first moved here and then moved into this house, and none of those boxes have ever been gone through. They were just stashed in a storage closet. So I had quite a bit that I needed to go through, and this basement alone is going to be an entire series of videos because I had so much to do in here. So you guys will have lots and lots of cleaning and decluttering motivation coming your way, so stay tuned for all of that. And of course I have the FlyLady videos that are going to be mixed in as well. So let's get on to cleaning.
Say you're leaving town, everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. Why you tryna fight? Just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost. Oh, I don't feel right when I dance alone. I don't feel right when you don't come home. I miss your body and I love you so. Baby, I do, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. Why you tryna fight? Just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving.
So one of the things that FlyLady says is that you can't clean clutter. So I actually had decided that I was going to do a massive declutter of my house from top to bottom, or I should say bottom to top, because I wanted to start in the basement. A lot of people, when they're starting the FlyLady system, do start by decluttering. Now, she basically would tell you just to start a little at a time. So I do have a video coming hopefully later this week, if not this week, next week, but I'm hoping to have it out this week on Wednesday. And if you're watching this video later, I'll have it linked up here once it's live in this video. But I'll be explaining the entire FlyLady system because it can be very confusing, especially if you go to her website. Like, watching YouTube videos is much easier to understand the system than looking at her website. She posts something new every day, but I think she kind of needs to organize her site a little bit to make it easier to navigate through because there's so much information on there. I say all that to say some people will start a massive declutter first, like I'm doing, and then some people will take like their 15 minutes of cleaning every day that she talks about in her system, and they'll use that to declutter, which is what she suggests. But I am the type that I like to start with a clean slate. And so that is what I am doing. And like I said, the basement's going to be a multi-part series because I did go in such in depth, and you guys will hear me talking about it over the series of videos. But I got like 5 or 6 carloads of stuff that I gave to Goodwill, plus another truckload of stuff that I sent to a friend who wanted to take some of my baby items. She's having a new baby, and then another friend taking some of my other large baby items. So this was seriously like more than 6 truckloads of stuff. Well, a vehicle load, not like a big U-Haul truck or anything, but like my SUV and my husband's truck worth of stuff that went out of our house. And this felt so good. And this has me super excited to start with the FlyLady system. And like I said, as someone who just likes to start with a clean slate, this just makes me feel so productive and so much more set up to start the system. But again, that being said, if this is too overwhelming for you, or that's not the way that your brain works, starting a little at a time, like she suggests, is definitely an option for you as well. And so I will be talking about all of that in my video coming up, hopefully in 2 days.
I know you're hurt. I can see it in your eyes, babe. You need to let your mind off things. No, it hurts. I can see. But I know you have a lot to give. I know that it's getting cold, the waves are crashing in. When the streams are getting strong, just hold on to me, yeah. I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun against your dark clouds. I will always be your guiding light. I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun against your dark clouds. I will always be your guiding light. I know you're strong. Need to get yourself together. Things still get better if you just believe it. Yeah, it's getting cold, the waves are crashing in. When the streams are getting strong, just hold on to me, yeah. I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun against your dark clouds. I will always be your guiding light. I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun against your dark clouds. I will always be your guiding light. Oh, 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 I'll be your guiding light. Oh, 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 I'll be your guiding light. Oh.
So as you can probably tell, my girls were having the best time helping out with this decluttering project, and Lexa actually was pretty helpful. I was giving her items to go put in different piles, some for Goodwill, some that I was keeping, and all of those things, and she actually was pretty helpful decluttering all of the stuff in here.
I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun against your dark clouds. I will always be your guiding light. I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun against your dark clouds. I will always be your guiding light. I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun against your dark clouds. I will always be your guiding light. I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun against your dark clouds. I will always be your guiding light.
All right, Goodwill, trash, Goodwill, all that's party stuff and home decor. I need to find some big boxes for this and this stuff. That's the small pile of clothes I'm keeping from that big box. The rest of it I'm getting rid of.
When you're down and you stare out your window, hoping that you'll come up with some words to say. That's not okay. When you feel like you're fed up with heartbreak, and you know that you can't take another day. Oh, that's not okay.
stack of games I'm not sure if we want to keep or not, and then I have a stack that I know I want to keep, and I have a stack that I know I want to get rid of. So. Started going through these the other day, so all right, I know we're gonna keep those. Probably get rid of Scrabble. I don't think we've ever played that. Maybe the first year of our marriage, like 14, 15 years ago.
When you're moving your feet on the dance floor and you don't care a thing about a word they say, that's how we play. That's how we play. I am here with my friends and we're dancing. We can feel all the obstacles go away. That's how we play.
So Aaron was going through this green box, which was full of old memories, and he found this teddy bear that he'd given me back when we were dating, and Kenzie claimed it now. She has been carrying it around with her everywhere for the last week. It's her new favorite toy, so I think it's super cute. It's almost as big as she is, but I think it's super cute now that we have that little memory, and it's going to be something she can keep. I apologize for my voice, you guys. I'm having to like cut this voiceover up because my voice is cracking. I just have a really dry throat, so I'm struggling with a little bit of a cold today when I'm recording this voiceover, but I needed to get it done, so trying to drink something hot and kind of power through. Just to make a little more space in here, we decided to go ahead and sell those 2 dressers that went with our old bedroom set because none of our guests ever use it when they come. They always stay for like a week or two. So we decided to keep just the bed and the 2 nightstands and go ahead and try to get a little cash for the 2 dresser set. And we actually sold it within like a day or two because we priced it well. So someone snagged it right up, but Aaron was just taking some photos here so that he could post it on Facebook.
Alright, I think we are going to get rid of this TV because this sat down here for 5 years since we moved here and we've never used it. This is all the linens and stuff that go on this bed. We got rid of a bunch of extra ones we're going to give to Goodwill. This just hasn't been washed since the last time we had guests, so I don't remake the bed until I wash it so I know if it's washed or not before we have new guests coming in. This is stuff that's going to go back in the storage area. So are these, but I need to put them in different boxes. Well, this is art supplies. I know I'm going to have more art supplies, so I don't want to seal that box up yet because I'll probably end up putting all the art supplies in a larger container because I know there's some more art supplies in the other room. I need a small box for these clothes. Actually, when I go through my closet, I have a Rubbermaid bin, so I'm going to bring those upstairs. I have a Rubbermaid bin of stuff like summer clothes and stuff that I need to go through when I go through my closet because I'm going through the whole house. And I'll probably end up incorporating that into that bucket because I'm sure I'll get rid of some more stuff in there. Kids' clothes have already gone through. Aaron just went through that. You guys probably saw. That's all his memories, all his childhood toys and stuff. I told you guys what that was already, so I just need to put this stuff in better boxes, combine them. Need a vacuum in here, obviously. That's later. We are trying to do, you saw.
Mommy, come here.
Okay, hang on. You guys saw Erin taking photos of this for Facebook Market. We're going to try to sell the 2 set of dressers and just keep the bed and the nightstands. This is our original set from when we first got married. And there's no reason for us to have all this down here. All right, and this we still need to go through, so that'll probably be the next video, is finishing up in here. Just still need to go through this. I was pulling everything out in categories. There's some more stuff that just needs to be tossed out. And more things just to go through. Out here we've made a bigger mess than we started with, but that's how it goes, right? Still need to go through all of this. And I think I'm gonna give this to Goodwill, but it has the car seat that goes with it, so I'm trying to see if the car seat can go with it. I don't know if it's expired yet, so I'm gonna check the date on the car seat. A stack of stuff here that I'm giving to some of my friends who are in need of some baby items. I just pulled all this out because I want to go through and like wash all the covers and stuff. They've been cleaned since I put them away, but they're probably just dusty. So I'm gonna just go through all of this stuff. So hopefully I will get to that tomorrow. And that will be the next video that you guys should see. My car is full of Goodwill. This is all for Goodwill right here. And then up there I have a huge stack of trash that you guys already saw.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you got a little bit of cleaning motivation for your day, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye.